up, y'all? What's going on? It's Kiki and
RJ.
and yes, and Red. Oh, you're a little out of focus. There we go. Kiki and Red RJ, and we are Team Reese, and we are hungry. I'm hungry. Y'all hungry?
V5
Yeah. What? Oh, what was that noise? Ooh, I just heard something that didn't sound good. Did somebody have a crash? Oh, okay. We hungry. So RJ did such a good job. He got a reading certificate. Every now and then, if they get enough reading done in school and out of school, they get these certificates to get a free kids meal from Capos. So RJ got a free kids meal from Capos, so we just went to pick it up. Of course, we picked up a pizza for ourselves because if one person eating Capos, everybody else eating Capos too. And we like Capos pizza. Oops, stuff falling all around here. We like Capos has a pizza. I'm sorry, y'all. This is real shaky, but Capos has a pizza that comes with Alfredo, spinach,
roasted tomato,
pineapple. No, not pineapple. Tomato. No, not roasted tomato. Roasted peppers.
Oh.
A bunch of stuff we like. Well, I like.
And chicken.
And chicken. But I'm sorry that the camera is so shaky, y'all. We actually attempted to buy a stabilizer, which if you watched the video where I was like setting up the porch, getting the porch ready for fall, and there was something that came in a box and I wanted y'all to guess what it was. It was actually a stabilizer. And then we started using it and the battery died within about 8 minutes. So yeah, that had to go back.
8 minutes.
Well, not 8 minutes. Too quick, huh? Yeah, so we had to send that joker back because that costs too much to be fooling around with a bad battery. So no stabilizer yet. We're gonna have to do a little bit more research and pick out another one. So until then,
You guys have any suggestions for one?
Anybody got a suggestion? Let us know. So we're getting ready to take this food home and eat a little bit, and then I'm gonna do some shop kicks. Have y'all ever heard of shop kicks? Let me show y'all what shop kicks is. Hang on. All right, you guys. So this is what shop kicks looks like. Let me try it. Just a little bit. Oh, I'm trying to do too much stuff at once. So you get shop kicks sometimes just by like walking into the store, like where it says walk in. That would be something you would get a walk in kick for. Or where it says scan, those are items that you can scan to get kicks for. I'm trying to get it to focus for y'all, and it's not. Focus, baby, focus. Come on. Is it not on autofocus? It's supposed to be. I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. But, so like, if you go to Walmart, you get 5 walk-in kicks just for walking in. Oh, actually, it says 10. You get 10 kicks just for walking into Walmart. Or scans, there's about, looks like it was 1,400 points that you can get just by scanning different items. So you can scan any of those. Get y'all, my screen not cracked. That's the screen protector that's cracked, just so y'all know. See, all that stuff that you can scan to get points. And so as you get more points, or kicks as they call them, so like I have 10,475 kicks. You can get gift cards. So I'm only about what, I don't know, 1,100 kicks away from getting a gift card. So the more kicks you get, the more gift cards you can get, and you can redeem whatever gift card you want to get. So like that's the one that I chose, but they have a bunch of different ones. You can see the last one I got was a TJ Maxx, what is it? Come on, focus. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, that kind of stuff. I don't know why the camera won't focus right. But yeah, that's how shop kicks work. So okay guys, so this is exactly how shop kicks works. You basically pull up the store that's close to you. This one I chose Walmart. I went inside Walmart. I got the walk-in kicks pretty much as soon as I walked into the door. Then I slipped through and kind of skimmed through all of the items on the scan list. Found some items nearby. You pick up the item that's on the shelf, scan the barcode, and boom, you get the kicks that are allotted for that item. So 15 kicks is what I was allotted for that item. They send you some questions afterwards. Sometimes you can answer those if you want, or you don't have to if you don't want to. I usually answer 1 or 2 and then ignore the rest of them because I don't want to do all that. I just want the points so that I get the gift card. So you see me kind of skip through some of the questions there. Go back to the list, find some more items that can be scanned. Sorry for all the notifications going off on my phone while I was screen recording. But find the items that are able to be scanned for points. Pick which items you're going to scan it, and collect your points. So I'm gonna drop my Shopkick link down in the comments below, or in the description box. Either one, maybe I'll do both. But if you sign up via my link, we'll both get 250 kicks. That's gonna help me out, and that's gonna help you out, because we're trying to get free money here. That's what the whole point is. I want the free money. Don't you want the free money? Don't you want the free money? So yeah, go ahead and click on the link, download the app. Once you walk into a store or wherever, walk in or go in and scan some items or whatever and earn 10 kicks, we will both be gifted 250 kicks. So we need to make that happen, y'all. Go ahead and click the link. All right? Thank you. Y'all, Ray Mel told me that I look like a big bottle of Pepto-Bismol. I think that was rude. I think that was so rude.
After she asked me.
How dare he?
After she asked me.
Now y'all know what I put up with.
After she asked me.
That's all right, because you know what? Boom. Heavy on the self-love. I love me. I don't care what he think. I love my pink outfit. I'm with it. Don't care. Y'all, it's like a whole 24 hours later. RJ, why is that so loud? Y'all, so we did a little bit of shopping last night and tonight, and when Ray comes back downstairs, he's gonna show you some of the stuff he picked up, because I didn't buy nothing. Ray bought stuff this time. I ain't buy nothing. All right, so Ray is getting ready to show y'all some of the stuff that he picked up at Marshall's. Well, all the stuff he picked up at Marshall's. So what you got?
All right, first of all, I just want to give a disclaimer that I was only supposed to go in Marshall's to get socks, but I went the wrong direction. And so by going in the wrong direction, well, you'll see what happened.
That's safe.
All right, first of all, I bought these for Kiki because ever since I've known Kiki, she's always liked Winnie the Pooh. And so I saw these and I thought that she would like these. So this is a 3-piece kitchen set with an oven mitt and 2 Winnie the Pooh towels.
Cute.
And it was a good deal. It was $10. That's not bad, because if you go to Target or go to Walmart or somewhere else, you'll spend probably what it says at, with the compare price of $14. So
our Christmas stuff is red and white. Maybe I'll put that stuff out for Christmas.
Yeah, maybe for Christmas. All right, next up we have this. Obviously, this is not mine, but I bought this for RJ because RJ needs a brush for his hair. So went to the men's section.
Daddy.
You're welcome. One of the areas they have is the men's section, of course, in Marshall's, and so they got this. I bought this brush for RJ. Well, I did get socks. I bought these socks for RJ because I'm tired of trying to piecemeal socks together because they are everywhere and they get lost in the wash and the dryer.
I wish y'all could see how many different socks we got everywhere. It seems like we can't never find a pair that match.
It's crazy.
200,000 different socks.
For all of us, not just RJ,
yeah,
for all of us. It ain't just him. But they had these 10 pair of Fila socks. This is how you say it, Filas, and they were only $5.99.
Who cares what they say? They socks.
Right. In comparison to $10, I only paid $6 for them. That's 10 pair of socks. So at least get them through, what, 5 days of school? 10, wait, is it? Did I carry the 2 yet? Okay.
You asked me to do math on a Saturday.
It's late. I'm not doing math right now. All right. Next up, we bought this brush. This is a dish brush. It's good. It says it's great for scrubbing, cleaning. I'm trying to read this upside down. Scrubbing, cleaning, bath, shower, bathroom, toilet. Who would put their hand all the way in the toilet with that? But whatever. That's exclusive right there. But I'm not cleaning. I'm not putting my hand in the toilet to clean it with this.
That handle will never be clean again if you put that in the toilet.
I'll be sick. Oh God, stop. Just, never mind. Anyways, it was only $3.99, so I thought it was a good brush. And this brush is going to be good for. I'm gonna slide this to the side for this one. For as we transition over to this.
Ooh, a wok.
I bought a mini wok. This is a mini one. I've always wanted one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I cook, but I don't really cook like that. But I might with this.
Cook. She cooks, okay.
Right. Well, Kiki cooks. Let's get that clarified. But I know how to cook. I don't burn water.
She cooks, okay.
I don't burn water, and but I like this. It was a mini wok, and it was regular, whatever. It was regular. I don't know how much the regular price was, but I got this on clearance for $5. I couldn't pass this up. You go in Target, you go in Walmart. This is easily a $20 to $25 wok just for this size. So I got this one, and then I got this one.
Ooh.
This was even cooler.
Iron chicken fryer.
Right. It says it has a honeycomb cooking area. I don't know what that's gonna do, but I bet you, bless you, but I bet you it makes it good. So I got this one as well, and guess what, y'all?
What?
Guess what, y'all?
What?
$20.
Nice.
On clearance. This is easily a $40 or $50. It's cast iron too, a $40 or $50 wok to cook with. So I got this.
So we can use that as a wok?
Yeah, you can use this as a wok too. It says it's got some directions on it, so we'll figure it out.
Because I was thinking, what? We don't even fry chicken, so what are we gonna do with it?
Right, but I couldn't pass these up, and so I got that. I got these on clearance.
Hold on. Before y'all get it twisted, hold on. Let me turn this around. Ooh. I said we don't fry chicken. I didn't say we don't eat fried chicken, okay? Because we get down on some fried chicken. We just be trying not to eat a whole bunch of fried food. So that's why we don't cook it in the house. But when we want it, we get it, okay?
Right. Amen.
Ain't want nobody to think, they too uppity. They don't eat no fried chicken.
Yeah,
yes,
okay.
we do.
Yeah,
yes,
we do. Next up, we have another water bottle for RJ.
Oh, my God. That's another thing. They disappear as fast as socks.
Next up, we have what I went in there for.
He actually came out with what he came in. Hey, just an FYI, in our house, socks are share socks, okay?
Share socks.
Nobody has their own. They're all share socks, except maybe RJ because our feet can't fit good in his.
Right.
But,
oh, gosh.
Mm-hmm.
Right. But this is another, I went in there because it's starting to get cold around here, so I need some good, we both need some good winter socks, so I bought some share socks for us.
Those are good because we both got to wear steel toe boots too.
Right. So these are actually outdoor socks. This is 6 pair of outdoor socks, and they were regular, what does that say? Regular $9, and I got these on sale for $6.99. So these are some good socks right here. Wait, hold on, RJ. I got these socks, and then Kiki.
Oh, yeah, I said I didn't buy nothing, and I lied. I did. I bought me some candles today. That candles buy 2, get 2 free.
This one is, this is a good one. This is a
frosted. Oh, frosted cranberry.
This is frosted cranberry. I love that one. That's a good one. Yeah, I like candles. So what? Judge yourself. This one's called Leaves. I don't know what that's going to smell like. I want it to smell like fall.
It smells fall-y. Yes.
Okay. What is fall exactly, everyone?
Fall-y.
A fall smell.
Fall-ish.
Is that
autumn-like?
Well, I don't know. Whatever.
Yeah.
That'd be a long story for me.
Well, save that for last.
Okay. Next up, we have autumn. Oh, we have fall and autumn. Mm-hmm. Couldn't make up your mind, huh? You know which one you want. You didn't know what season you wanted to be in, huh?
I bet you it's gonna smell good though.
I bet it will.
Better than that one I bought from TJ Maxx that day.
We won't go there. Mm-hmm. Yes, we will, because I said I didn't like it. Oh, I'm going to get it anyways. And now look at us. Now we got to find another.
I don't even like to light the thing.
Now we still have to find another candle.
It smells so bad. That's the last one. Let me see that one. I'm going to show that. So, guys, they had Christmas candles out already. And so I bought this one. It's 'Tis the Season. Hold on. Focus. There we go. Okay. 'Tis the Season. This is my favorite winter candle, y'all. It smells so good. Hold on. That's my favorite winter candle. It smells so good. I always buy this one around the Christmas season. I did not know that they had Christmas candles out already, so I was shocked. They didn't have a lot. They had one small table, but they had this one on it. And since I knew I wanted to buy 4 candles anyway, I just made sure this was one of them. That way, when we start getting close to Christmas, I will have one of these already on hand. I mean, as if I don't already have some in the cabinet over there anyway from last Christmas. But that's okay. I'll have another one. So, yeah, that's what I got. Some candles. Yo, I love fall. I actually got fall nails. See? Fall fingernails. Because fall is my favorite season. So, anyway. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Just wanted to jump on here real quick and tell you guys good night. This was a random one, but you got to see us do a little shopping. Check out the Shopkicks app. I will put my link down below. You get some points for you and some points for me. Okay, click it, do it, y'all. And let's see what else, Ray. What am I missing?
Don't forget to like,
yes,
subscribe, share,
yeah.
hit the notification bell, and like
and subscribe.
Yes. And share and hit the notification bell
so that you can be notified each and every time we have a new video.
Tell the world Team Reese Travels is here.
Yes, we are.
Baby.
We also have a new Instagram page. We created an Instagram page specifically for Team Reese Travels. If you already follow me, you know I share a lot of our content on my personal Instagram page. But I said, you know what? We need one for the channel. We need one specifically for y'all to come and see our content there. So, new Instagram page. I'll drop that somewhere on the screen or in the link below. Check it out. Thank you so very much. And until the next vlog,
Team Reese
all